I'm going to my last year of college and I still don't have a job. I don't really know what to do. I don't even know where to look. I don't even know what I'm supposed to do. I just don't want to graduate without a job. Oh my gosh, what is this? The answer to all my problems.
Hi, welcome to the Career Center. How can I help you today?
Hi, I found this flyer about career fairs and I was wondering if I could learn more about when the career fairs are this year.
Sure, we have someone who can help you with that. Our peer advisor, Heidi, can go ahead and discuss with you about our career fairs and where you can register on Spotlight.
Perfect, thank you.
Of course.
Hi, can you tell me more about the career fairs?
Yeah, for sure.
Every year, the UCR Career Center will host 11 career fairs, 5 in the fall and the rest in winter and spring. This is a great chance for students to network and apply for jobs or internships. You may view the fair details such as participating companies on our Career Center website. Just RSVP for the fair and remember to bring your resume and put your best foot forward on that day.
Do I have to RSVP to attend?
No, you actually don't have to RSVP, but by registering, you can look at the companies that's attending, and all UCR students are welcome to attend.